Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Clementsport is a small rural community located in Annapolis County, Nova Scotia, along the Annapolis Basin and the Annapolis River. Situated west of Annapolis Royal and east of Cornwallis Park, the community has a population of several hundred residents and is part of the historic Annapolis Valley region. Its location near the water has influenced both its history and development for generations. The history of the area begins with the Micmac people who lived throughout western Nova Scotia for thousands of years before European settlement. The Annapolis River and Annapolis Basin provided important transportation routes and sources of food. The area's forests, waterways, and fertile lands supported indigenous communities long before the arrival of European settlers. European settlement expanded throughout the region during the 17th and 18th centuries. Acadian settlers established farms and communities along the Annapolis River and surrounding areas. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in 1755, New England planters settled throughout Annapolis County and helped establish many of the communities that remain today. Clementsport developed as a transportation and shipping community due to its location on navigable waterways. During the 19th century, shipbuilding, coastal trade, and agriculture played important roles in the local economy. Small vessels transported goods throughout the Bay of Fundy and beyond, helping connect the community to larger markets. Agriculture has remained an important part of the area for generations. The fertile soils of the Annapolis Valley support orchards, berry farms, vegetable production, and livestock operations. Farming continues to shape the landscape surrounding Clementsport and contributes to the broader economy of western Nova Scotia. What people do for work in Clementsport has evolved over time. While shipbuilding and agriculture once dominated employment, today's residents work in a variety of occupations. Many are employed in healthcare, education, retail, construction, transportation, government services, tourism, and agriculture. Housing in Clementsport remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. The area offers a mix of historic homes, rural properties, and waterfront residences. Average home prices generally range between $250,000 and $450,000 depending on location, size, condition, and land included with the property. Today, Clementsport remains a small community with deep historical roots and strong ties to the surrounding region. Its waterfront location, agricultural heritage, and connection to nearby historic communities continue to shape daily life. While modest in size, Clementsport reflects the history, natural beauty, and community spirit that define much of western Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!